So Owl flew out over the flood, and he soon spotted two tiny objects below him. One was little Piglet caught in the whirlpool, and the other was Pooh trying to get the last bit of honey from the pot.
Yum, yum.
Oh, Owl, I don't mean to complain, but I'm afraid I'm scared.
Now, Piglet, chin up and all that sort of thing. A rescue is being thought of. Be brave, little Piglet.
It's awfully hard to be brave when you're such a small animal.
Then to divert your small mind from your unfortunate predicament, I shall tell you an amusing anecdote. It concerns a distant cousin of mine who became so frightened during a flood that he...
I beg your pardon, Owl, but I think we're coming to a a very big waterfall.
Please, no interruptions. There you are, Pooh Bear. Now, to continue my story...
Look, there's Pooh. Over here, Pooh.
Oh, hello, Christopher Robin.
Pooh, thank goodness you're safe. Have you seen Piglet?
Excuse me, I have. What I mean is, here I am.
Pooh, you rescued Piglet.
I did?
Yes, and it was a very brave thing to do.
It was?
You are a hero.
I am?
And as soon as the flood is over, I shall give you a hero party.